Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where wheels meet wonders. Today, we're diving into something truly unique, futuristic, and just plain cool, the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper. This isn't your regular RV, and it's definitely not your average trike. It's a hybrid of freedom and function, designed for adventurers who want to go off-grid without going overboard. Let's take a closer look at why this machine is turning heads in 2025. First up, the design. The 2025 Tricycle RV Camper is compact but commanding. With a three-wheel configuration, it's more stable than a motorcycle, yet way more agile than a traditional camper van. The sleek aerodynamic body, LED headlights, and solar panel rooftop give it a modern, eco-friendly vibe. But don't let the size fool you. This thing is packed with smart engineering. Step inside, and you'll be surprised by the space optimization. The camper features a convertible bed that folds into a cozy seating area, a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop, a mini fridge, and even a foldable table for work or dining. There's also a built-in bathroom module with a dry toilet and a water-saving shower system. For a trike, this is next-level comfort. Now, under the seat you'll find a powerful electric hybrid engine. It delivers a top speed of 75 miles per hour and a range of up to 250 miles on a single charge, thanks to its dual battery and solar charging system. Whether you're cruising on highways or exploring remote trails, this machine can handle it all. On the road, the ride is surprisingly smooth. The wide rear wheels offer great balance, and the front suspension is fine-tuned for both comfort and control. It's got regenerative braking, traction assist, and even hill descent control, features you rarely see in vehicles this size. The cockpit includes a digital dashboard with GPS navigation, battery status, and environmental controls. You've also got a touchscreen control panel inside the camper for lighting, temperature, and security. And yes, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi and smart home integration. You can literally control your camper with your phone. So what are people saying? Early adopters are loving the freedom it offers. No parking issues, lower fuel costs, and no need for a giant truck or towing setup. It's ideal for solo travelers, digital nomads, or couples who crave adventure but want to stay efficient and light on the road. Of course, it's not perfect. Storage is limited, and if you're used to full-size RVs, the space might feel tight. But for those looking to simplify life without sacrificing comfort, this could be your dream machine. So, is the 2025 Tricycle RV Camper worth it? If you're after innovation, eco-efficiency, and the freedom to go almost anywhere, then absolutely. It's bold, it's smart, and it's redefining what a home on wheels can be. Thanks for watching today's review on Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd take this camper on your next big adventure. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your journey honest.